Hello everyone and welcome to Freshly Smooth. Today we are making oat milk. For this simple and very delicious recipe, we will need only a couple of ingredients.
1 cup of oats, 6 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon can add a warm, sweet, and slightly spicy flavor to an oat milk recipe. It can also enhance the aroma of the oat milk and make it more flavorful. 2 petite dates and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And a milk bag. Combine the ingredients in the blender and blend for about 10 to 15 seconds. Here's some tips how to avoid slimy oat milk. Use dry oats. If you decide to pre-soak your oats, you will find that you will end up with a thick, almost gelatin-like slimy mixture. Don't overblend, 10 seconds is enough. Different blenders may have different results. Once ready, strain the milk through a nut milk bag and then transfer to a clean, airtight container. Your homemade oat milk can then be stored in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days. And now it's time for the chocolate banana smoothie recipe. Into my blender, I'm adding 1.5 cups of frozen bananas, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, and a splash of oat milk we just made. If you want to make it ice cream consistency, add less milk. Blend the ingredients together, and when it's freshly smooth, add 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. It will give the delicious chocolatey taste to our banana smoothie. Transfer the smoothie into the glass or bowl and top it with a sweet strawberry. And that's it, our simple and yet delicious chocolate banana smoothie is ready. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.